Designed for basic research, the versatile TARGAS-1 portable photosynthesis system is perfectly suited for applications that demand a high level of accuracy and control with minimal maintenance. It's so easy to learn and use that you can begin taking measurements almost immediately, making it ideal for teaching. Its rugged, lightweight, and compact design allows the TARGAS-1 to transition seamlessly between the laboratory and the field. To see how quick and easy it is to use, let's take a leaf gas exchange measurement. Simply connect the PLC5 leaf cuvette gas and signal connectors to the TARGAS-1 console, close the cuvette head, and start the TARGAS-1. Note that you can also use the ambient air sampling intake pole supplied with the system to assist in providing steady reference air in the field if needed. Select the PLC5 leaf cuvette. Make sure the cuvette flow rate is set to our recommended rate of 250 cc's per minute, and the sample flow rate is set to 150 cc's per minute. Once warm-up and the first 0 are complete, all readings should be stable with the leaf cuvette closed. You're now ready to make your first measurement. Place your leaf inside the chamber. Monitor either the CO2D value on measure screen 1 or A value on measure screen 2, and once stable, it's time to record your measurement, either by pressing the record button on the console display or the record switch located on the PLC handle. Data stores directly to a USB flash drive that you can open and view in Excel. Interested in measuring something other than or in addition to leaf gas exchange? The versatile TARGAS-1 is more than a portable photosynthesis system. There are several chambers and sensors available to expand the TARGAS-1's measurement capability. To learn more about the TARGAS-1 portable photosynthesis system, visit ppsystems.com.